Hi everyone! So for today's video, share ko sa inyo paano gumawa ng 1702Q for this quarter, for third quarter. I'll be using 2023 data para ipakita ko sa inyo. Medyo hindi siya straightforward, pero at least makita nyo kasi hindi naman talaga ganun kadali gumawa ng tax forms. At least makita nyo yung paano pag may mga ganitong issues, paano namin ina-address. Alright? Sige. So, here, ang gagawin nyo, it's, punta of course kayo sa offline. Ang assumption ko, syempre, third quarter na to, syempre, naka-download na kayo niyan. You choose this one, the 1702 Q version 2008C. I think may typo to, no? Kasi kung pampasin mo iba, may 2018 pa eh. Ayan. And then, click fill up. Alright? So, side by side, gagawin natin yung paggawa ng 1702 Q for third quarter. Kasi third quarter ngayon. Okay? Ayan. So, third quarter, syempre, third quarter data, pero, um, rather 2023 data per gawin natin is 2024, ha? Para lang syempre, ang purpose lang naman to ay makagawa tayo ng data. Okay? Malatag natin. Okay, this is the 2024 data. 2023 data rather, and we'll be posting it sa 2024. Assuming hindi natin alam ito, hindi natin alam yung nangyari ng fourth quarter, ito ginagamit lang natin. Ano yung, paano natin siya ipa-plot, okay? Pag gawa kayo ng quarter returns, ang kailangan nyo lang sa previous quarter is ano yung final na taxable income nung previous quarter. Kasi yun ang ilalagay natin dito. Pero pag quarter returns, ang basis mo would be the operations, the results of operations from July to September. Kasi that's the composition of third quarter, di ba? July, August, September. Okay? So, fill it out, 2024, third quarter. Tapos, yun, ATC, piliin mo yung IC010. The rest kasi, hindi naman siya yung corporation in general. Meron dyan, partnership, non-exempt corporation. So, ito kasi is stock corporation, yung ating example. Alright? Tapos, now, let's go now to fill out this one. Ito yung data mo. So, this is a sample company. Ang business nito is more on online education. Sabi ko, online education, pero hindi to school ha. Hindi to nagpo-provide ng diploma. Okay? So, let's do this. Ang third quarter income niya is 1702. Lagay natin siya sa regular rate. 1702, 866. Ang cost of sales niya is 1014. 1014, 988. So, 687. Ang assumption natin dito is, lahat ng expenses nito is valid. Okay? So, ano total expenses niya? 617. 617 dito. 617, 802. Alright? Line 23, sabi niya, add previous quarter's taxable income. Sa taxable income ng previous quarter, paano natin malaman yan? Hindi naman natin ginawa yung first and second, right? Kasi third quarter tayo. So, what you'll do is, tingnan mo, okay, dito kasi sa first quarter na to, binayaran niya raw 27,060.59. Kung mag-work back ka, kung binayaran niya 27,060.59 at ang tax rate is 20%, divide mo siya 0.2. So, ito ang taxable income ng first quarter. Okay? Alright. Now, next naman is, ito naman, yung second quarter, ito yun eh, wala siyang binayaran. Pero lumalabas na income niya is loss, 46,919. So, ito yun. Alright? So, kung ang tanong niya rito is taxable income from previous quarters, i-add up lang natin itong dalawang to. So, anong lalabas? Pag in-add up natin siya. Diba? 88,386. Taxable income, previous quarters, 88,386.85. Tanggalin na nga natin itong 85 na to. 387 lang natin siya. Okay? Yan. Tapos, ang tax rate na gagamitin natin is 20%. Okay? Kasi hindi naman nag-increase ng yung taxable income naman niya hindi naging 5 million. And with this one is ang asset naman niya hindi rin nag 100 million. Rather, ang taxable income niya hindi naging 5 million. Tapos, ang total assets naman niya hindi nag-exceed ng 100 million. So, we'll not be using the 25% tax rate, but we'll be using, kasi sabi sa tax rate na 25%, pag 100, ang total asset mo is 100 million and below, and with taxable income of more than 5M, 25 million. But if it's less than, below 20%. Kaya 20% ang gagamitin natin. So, lumalabas dito, 31,000. Ang babayaran is 31,692. Pero hindi pa tayo tapos. Kasi, we have to obtain, magkano ba yung binayaran niya nung previous quarters? Siyempre, wala siyang binayaran ng second quarter kasi negative. Magkano binayaran niya ng first is 27. So, ilagay mo siya dito sa line 31C. Magkano? 27,060.59. 27,060.59. So, ang dapat mong bayaran for third quarter is, based on our computation, is 46,32. Save na natin siya. Okay. Ito, reminder yan kung MCIT tayo. Hindi pa tayo MCIT because this is company. The results of operation ito is year 2. Magkakaroon tayo MCIT pag ang business is on its 4th year. Alright? So, yan. So, ito, ang babayaran niya na income or rather ng tax for third quarter is 4,632 pesos. This is for third quarter. Okay? But kung sisilipin nyo, magkano binayad niya? 82. So, actually, I have discussed this one in my online course. I use the same data at in my online course. I have several online tutorials on how to fill out tax forms. Okay? So, here's my website. Sharing with you my website. You go to services and then you go to tax forms. Yan. Here, if you are an online seller, I have here different discussion kung ikaw ay taxpayer na may 8% tax rate. Ito yung kailangan malaman paano ba mag-file ng mga forms na yan, diba? How to fill out forms. Ito yung mga i-discuss ko dyan. So, you can avail of this promo 1. Kung BMBE ka naman sa promo 2, kung wala kang accounting system, I have a very simple Excel tool. I shared it also here. Discuss ko rin how to fill out yung mga journals. Andyan din yan. So, I have an online course for that. Ito naman, promo 4, pag meron kang pag ang type of tax mo is mix ka, meron ka ng business, tapos meron ka pang may compensation income ka pa. So, yan yon. Promo 5, BMBE ka na, tapos ikaw ay meron ka rin compensation income. For promo 6, ito na may ay kung ang nature of your business is you provide services. So, yun, you can avail of this one. This is really very affordable. Very affordable siya, no? So, and you can view this at your own convenience. Okay, so this is a digital product. Ito naman yung iba-iba kong tax forms na ginawa. So, if you're so clueless how to fill out yung ito mga 1601C, 01619E, F, yan. I also have a prepared tutorials for that. So, yung diniscuss ko kanina, yung sa 1702Q, it's somewhere here, yan. Medyo nakalagay pa dyan coming soon, but I will revise this one in a short while, kasi nagawa ko na siya, and I have also uploaded this one. If you're interested to know, papa-update ko na lang to. If you're interested to know yung ano nangyari doon sa over yung payment niya, how to make adjustment or how to work on that one. So I discuss it in that separate video. So if you're interested, I'll just update this one, but if you're interested, you can click this one, and then there, you can purchase the tutorial. So, just have to send me an email. Or, marami pa naman mga ibang tutorials dyan na iba-ibang tax form. So, you can just browse on it kung ano yung kailangan mo. Very affordable yung rates. It could, increase anytime, but at this time, avail of the very small investment fee. Alright? Thank you so much, and I hope you learned something in my discussion sa 1702Q. Alright, thank you!